In this video, I'll talk about styling. So you already know that if you want to style an element, you can add the style attribute to the opening tag and style the element there. In this video, I want to show you how you can write styles in a special style element. So here in head, I want to write style, hit enter, and inside of the style, I want to style these elements. So for the sake of this video, let's style the span element. So here we need to write the name of the element. Here we are styling span, and it will style all the spans on the page. So let's write span. Now we need to open curly braces and then close curly braces, and we need to hit enter. Okay, and here we can write our styles. So first, let's make our text bold. For that, we need to write font weight, and here you can use Emmet shortcuts, just like in HTML. So here I will write font weight bold, and here you can see that it offers me font weight bold. Let's hit enter, and we can see that now our text is bold. So to make my text underlined, I need to write text decoration underline. And here you can see the first suggestion. Okay, now it is underlined. All right, now let's also make it blue. So here I would write color, and let's choose blue. All right, now let's say I want my cursor to be a pointer, just like with a real link. So here I can write a shortcut. I write cursor pointer, and here's the first one. Okay, now we can see that everything is applied. Now let's say I want to make all of this text uppercase. For that, I need to use text transform, uppercase, hit enter. And now you can see that it is uppercased. Now let's say I change my mind and I don't want this text to be underlined, and I want this line to go through the text. So here, where I say text decoration, I can just write line through. And we can see that now it's crossed. I can also italicize this text, just like the emphasized text. So for that, I would need to write font style, italic. Okay, let's hit enter. We can see that it has been italicized. And another thing that I want to do is to change the size. So we measure everything in pixels here. There are other units of measurement, but we'll talk about them in future videos. So here we can write font size. And here let's write 24 pixels. And you can see that this text is much larger now. It's almost as large as the heading. I can also change the background of this text. So here I want to write background color. And let's say I want it to be this color. And now you can see that the background has changed. Now let's say this text is longer than what we have now. So let's implement that. I'll copy this. All right, and you can see that this text, if it does not fit, it just goes to the next line. And here there would be some space for maybe 2 or 3 letters, but it doesn't work like that in HTML. It does not break words. Okay, so if we want to change this behavior and we don't want this text to be wrapped on the next line, and we just want it to be all in one line, we can change that by applying white space. So here we just write white space, and we write no wrap. And now we can see that all this text is in one line, and we have horizontal scroll. Okay, in the future videos, we'll continue learning CSS.